Don't tell me that you love me if you ain't gon' die for me. You can stay the fuck around me if you ain't gon' ride for me. Told me you would never leave, how can you just lie to me? Yeah. Get from off your knees, you ain't gotta cry to me. Yeah. I been giving all my love. Tell me, do you feel it? Never learned how to trust. Sin in penitentiary.
Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a DIY project featuring these Dollar Tree books, turning them into custom designer books. And if you're like me, I was not paying $60 or more for a book. So let's do it ourselves. First, you want to remove the covers off of the hard surface book. Get vinyl. I had this vinyl laying around the house. You can get this from Walmart, Michael's, or your local craft store. What you want to do with the vinyl is measure the book to make sure you can cover the book. Once you are done doing that, you want to lay the book flat. Get the vinyl, and I will say I was struggling with this. As you can see, like the back part wasn't as smooth, but you want to try to get it on there as smooth as possible. The books will be stacked in my case, so the bottom of the book, I mean, it is what it is, but you want to try to get it as smooth as possible. And you're going to do the same thing with your other books. Take them, remove the cover, and get your vinyl. I chose white for this book, and I will say I did get different size books, so they had different widths to them, so they kind of offset each other. Yeah, I was struggling to get this vinyl off. Like, it was really kicking my ass, but we're going to get it done. Work with me, work with me. Once you're laying your vinyl on the book, make sure you close the book before laying the vinyl, because if you try to lay the vinyl on there with the book open flat, it's not going to work. And there you have it. You can see that they're stacked. You see they're different sizes, front and back. They look smooth. Same thing for the last book. I'm going to use a gold vinyl for this one. I will say this gold vinyl was very hard to work with. It gave me a run for my money, but we got it done. See, it did not want to let me be great. Finally, because I was about ready to give up. This is my son. He came over. He wanted me to play a game. I don't know if you ever heard of what is it called? Bean Boozled. And it's basically jelly beans. You spin the wheel, and whatever jelly bean, whatever it lands on, that's the jelly bean that you have to taste. But the flavors are crazy. Like, I think he got spoiled milk, but he's trying to cheat because the blue ones taste like toothpaste, so they're not that bad. So he was trying to cheat. And he's back. He got spoiled milk. He ran to go spit it out. Oh, look, now he's giving me one. Yeah, it was disgusting. I don't even know why I did it. I was just trying to entertain him for a minute. Oh, it was so disgusting. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. And here we go. 3 books, different sizes, different colors. You can choose whatever colors you want. Oh, my son, he was just too funny. I had to pause it on him. Okay, so with these, I used my Cricut machine and I printed out a couple different designers that I wanted to go with. I think the white book I did Chanel, the gold book I did Louis Vuitton, and the chunkier black one I did Prada. So you basically just center it to wherever you want it on your book. And you don't have to do the top of all your books. I just did the Chanel because the Chanel was going to be on top. So I just wanted, you know, the front to be a little razzle dazzle. And it looks so much better than, I know a lot of people do it just with computer paper, but it looks so much better when you use your Cricut and the vinyl. This Louis Vuitton was giving me a run for my money. I feel like anything that has to do with this gold vinyl just did not want to work with me. But we ended up getting it done. And the finished product was so cute. And this is the finished product. I hope you all like it. Again, thank you for watching this video. If you watch it to the end, remember to subscribe and like and hit that bell button so you can see all my videos. Thank you.